Hey everybody, I'm Taylor from Taylor's Muse. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be cooking with HelloFresh. I usually order a HelloFresh around, well, my select dates are on Wednesday and my delivery is on Monday, so that's great. I also get pre-selected meals. Well, I get to choose what meals that I like to eat. They have a ton of options and a ton of different flavors for your profile and your palate, so whatever you like, I'm sure HelloFresh will have. I've used HelloFresh 1,000 times now, and by the way, this is not sponsored. I just love it that much, and I figured I should show you guys what I eat in a week. HelloFresh is convenient, it's easy, and it's affordable, so I highly recommend that you try it. They also cut down on waste, and they only send you what you'll need to cook, so they portion out your meals for you. I feel like that is so perfect, because if you're like me, you'll definitely waste food going to the grocery store, buying these big old things of food and never cooking them. Does that sound familiar? I know. So with HelloFresh, you don't have to worry about that. They send you perfect portions. You cook all the food. I love it so much. So let's cook, let's meal prep for the week, and let's get some tasty meals. Let's get started, y'all.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
Unpopular opinions. I actually love Brussels sprouts. Have y'all tried Brussels sprouts from Sardi's? If you haven't, go try them and get back to me. But y'all, they're so good. These did not taste like that, but if y'all have a recipe, let me know. Comment down below, please.
Through drought and famine.
If you don't have a potato masher, this is my little trick. Don't be like me, y'all. Get a potato masher.
Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
The onions weren't included in the recipe. However, I'm a fiend for onions, so I had to include it. Okay? That brings me to the point that you can add or subtract ingredients if you like to your meal so that it fits you 100%. You know, just go get an onion from the store, go get a little whatever else you wanted to add, just throw the spice in. So I'm just going to saute these onions, let them get all nice and soft. I wanted to pop in and say on the tilapia meal, HelloFresh actually forgot to send me a couple of ingredients. They forgot to send me sesame seeds and also soy sauce. So I feel like this recipe didn't do justice without those two because those were very important, very necessary. So I would say that this recipe was okay. However, HelloFresh did credit me for my next box to make up for that discrepancy, which I appreciate, you know, a little bit of money off my next box. Thank you, HelloFresh. However, this meal was still all right. It was okay. I still ate it.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad.
between this last meal, I realized the green beans were supposed to be boiled in a bag. However, I cleaned them, so I took them out the bag. So I had to cook them on the stove. Long story short, they were still perfectly fine. The soy sauce was for the topping of the tilapia, so it was just sesame oil and scallions, and I was like, what? This is missing something. It was missing the soy sauce and the sesame seeds, for real. So I feel like if I had this meal would have been bussin', but it was just okay without it. The sauce did also have sriracha in it, and it gave it a little kick, so that was good. But overall, these meals were good. I love HelloFresh. I recommend that you try it. And if you do, make sure you comment down below. Let me know if you enjoy it. But again, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.